Hello everybody. Today we're doing a bloom effect acrylic pour and making a set of DIY coasters really easily. What makes them so easy to make? While the bloom effect acrylic pour has been a difficult technique to get a good grasp of, I've done a lot of trial and error and got my recipe down to a point that the paint does what I want it to do without much trouble. You can do the same by following my recipe. I'll make sure I put a link in the card above as well as the description and the pinned comment to my recipe video. It is truly a short video and to the point. I demonstrate just how easily this process really can be. So if you're interested in learning this process, check out my tutorial after this video. If this is the first time we are meeting each other, my name is Johnny from JMO Painting, and the focus of my channel is to provide value and assist you in your artistic endeavors, whatever that means for you. If you're already part of the family over here, welcome back my friends, and I hope your day today is going great, and you are creating something awesome today. I'm tweaking the color palette that I used in the last video, and I bet you can't even guess what color I added. Yep, it's red. I have a deep love for reds, and this red most of all. This is the This Little Piggy's Grenache red, and it's a stunning color. I wanted this video to be slightly different than my normal talk-throughs, and I wanted to give you some insights that might help you do sheleeart bloom effect acrylic pours better. Some lesser known tips that I have learned since I've started doing the sheleeart bloom pours. Firstly, I found that if I don't spin the base coat out a bit, the colors on top tend to spring back towards the center as the piece dries. So spin it out to level your pillow out just a bit before you continue the process. Secondly, I've seen quite a few people having issues with the blowing portion. When you are blowing the cell activator over the paints, just make sure that you blow fairly soft and at an angle. The goal is to slide the cell activator over the top of the other colors and not push it down into the other colors. Sometimes if you blow too hard, you will expose the pillow paint underneath. Also, blow gently until you start seeing the cells open up. Once you see the cells open up, that's your cue that you've got it and to stop. Or you risk stretching the cells out and making the shape of them look kinda crazy. Finally, if you find you have a large portion of cell activator left in the center, you can gently blow a couple times on it to try to thin it out enough that cells will start to open up. Those three subtle nuances I've learned over the past 12 months of doing this technique. I haven't taken the sheleeart course, although I have thought about it. I still to this day run into issues that I'm sure have been figured out before, and I'm sure taking the course would alleviate a lot of these issues. But there's also something satisfying about working through the problem myself, or doing a little bit of research about any problem I'm having, and solving it myself. The other reason that I haven't taken the course is because I wouldn't be able to share the information that I learned from them with you all. It wouldn't be my information to share, and I really enjoy helping you guys whenever I can, and I don't want to lose that part of my interaction with you. This community is a great one. I value every one of you. I've probably learned as much from you all as you have learned from me, and that's what makes our community the best one there is. We help each other out for the good of everyone, and for that, I thank you. This one right here was my favorite of the four. With this next one, I used a bit more paint and I didn't just drip it into the center to make pools. I let the paint pour off the stick and I didn't focus on keeping everything even. This red really is my favorite red because of the sparkle and the shine, and the fact that it is really deep dark red. What is your favorite color palette? I'm curious to know what yours are, and maybe I can do them in a future video. I think because of my liberal usage of the paint, it allowed the colors to mix slightly, and it even created a small area of green when you hold it up to the light. This coaster right here was simply stunning to me. Right now we have the whole set together, and look at all that shimmer and shine with that delicate lacing and cells. Sometimes when I make these as a commission, I don't even want to part with them just because of how the colors interacted with each other. And these are one of those sets. But I know that this set is going to make the new owner of them very happy, and that makes me happy too. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.